Today I'm at Tiny Fest in California, and this is the Stargazer from Stargazing Homes out of Arizona. What we're looking at here is 8.5 feet wide by 28 feet long for a total footprint of right around 240 square feet, 238 to be exact. I am excited to show you why it's called the Stargazer. So let's take a quick trip around the outside and then we'll head inside and see what it's all about. All right, we'll start this off on the right-hand side because there is a lot to talk about here. And if you look up there, we'll get a little bit of a hint at where this home got its name. So down the back side, you've got the window, that's into the bedroom. As you can see here, we've got the window into the bathroom there, and then the one into the living space / kitchen. We've got metal siding on this home, and coming around the front, you will see the wood accent and the offset roof line. They got the shed roof on this. This is my favorite angle. Where is it? Oh, past it, right about there, I'd say. So they have got kind of an angle going down to the floor there, and it just gives it a very unique and very cool look. We'll go around this side as well. So another sliding glass door into the living room, meaning there are 3 entrances into the Stargazer. And depending on how you have it set up, you could put a wraparound deck, you could put 3 sets of steps, really whatever you want to do. As we head inside, I should mention that the Stargazer is geared towards hospitality. And what does that mean? Well, it means a couple different things. Number one, the company Stargazing Homes does actually offer some marketing for that industry as well as the sale of the home. So if that's something you're interested in, it is something they offer. So as I come inside the front door, I land in the living room. They got a surfboard mounted on the wall, missing a fin. That's going to be tough to do much on that one. Behind that, they've got the shiplap, which looks awesome, and the wood accent does continue all the way through the home, which I think looks great against the white. Down, we've got what looks to be a vinyl plank floor. Not 100% sure on that. And moving into the kitchen, you will see something that people are always very, very concerned with, and that is, where am I going to wash and dry my clothes? They've got the combo unit right there, so nobody panic. All right. Before I continue, let's talk about this living room. So we've got basically a wall of windows off the front. I like that angled window up top, the curtain behind, just in case someone is sleeping on this pull-out sofa right here. So they're gonna have sleeping for 4, unless I'm missing something, when you pull out this sofa. You've got the window out the side. So if your views are that way, enjoy them. Then right here, they've got the TV mounted, and I'm guessing it swivels a little bit. Yep, it definitely does. Heading down this direction, we got to have a look in this kitchen. So let's do that. They got the gas cooktop, and beside that, this is the counter prep space. They've got the mini fridge down below, sink in the corner adjacent to the window. So you can stand here, do sink stuff, look out the window, see what is going on in the wilderness or at your neighbor's house, depending on where you got it set. Under the sink, they've got a pull-out garbage can right there, which is full to the brim with snacks and drinks from the show. They've got the bank of 3 drawers right here. And up above, they've got the cabinet for the plates, the bowls, the glasses, and anything else you might want to put up there. This is a very unique shape on this sink. Let's get a look at this. I don't even know what that shape is. Maybe I need to go back to elementary school, or if somebody could tell me, that would be great, but I'm not entirely sure. Faucet back here in the corner. Let's continue down the hall. We are getting warmer to where the most exciting feature in the home is located. So on the right-hand side, they've got the bathroom. Let's get some lights on in here. Toilet right as you enter in. Window behind that we saw from the outside. Oops, I turned the fan on. We will turn that off. And in the corner, they've got the vanity with the countertop sink right there. Mirror up above. And the corner shower right about there. Okay. They've got the removable as well as the shower head there, and built-in shampoo conditioner holders. Not sure if that's coming standard or if that is an add-on. Now, I have been told that you can customize these homes with more windows, less windows, whatever you like to make it fit the property that it's going. But one thing that is very cool, and the feature I've been hinting at, is right here, not there, above the bed. So when you lay in the Stargazer at night, you have a full view of the stars out that giant skylight. I'm not sure the exact size, but it has got to be at least, I don't know, I want to say 5-6 feet long and probably 3 or 4 feet wide. All right, on this wall, you've got a place to hang whatever you want to hang there. Maybe it's a t-shirt, maybe it's your shorts, or maybe it's a pair of Wranglers. Behind this door, look at this. Okay, I thought this was for storage, and if I announced it before, I would have been wrong because it is hot water on demand. You can stand in that shower for as long as you want because it's warming on demand. Use it until you're as clean as you can possibly be. Now, heading back down, we will go get one last look at the space. Again, it's 8.5 feet wide, 28 feet long. It's got a mid-sized kitchenette, and it's got the living room on the front with a bunch of windows to enjoy the view. Let's talk about the pricing. Here's a look at the floor plan, and upon further inspection, I was a little bit shy on the dimensions of the skylight. It's actually 4 feet wide by 6 feet long, so even bigger than I thought. While we're in the bedroom, the windows in there are 6 feet by 6 feet, so there is going to be all sorts of natural light during the day, and at night you are looking up directly at the stars, which I can only imagine is going to be quite enjoyable. If you need more time with the floor plan, feel free to pause it here, and while you do that, it would be greatly appreciated if you like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. It's free for you and does help me out a lot. Okay, I'm moving on. There you have it, folks. The Stargazer from Stargazing Homes. Again, 8.5 feet wide, 28 feet long, 238 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and the window directly above the bed. Now, as far as pricing goes, you're looking at $120,000, and that includes delivery across the United States. That is it for me here at Tiny Fest. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.